Welcome back. Villagers of Sandhiste were annoyed with construction of Palni Bandh, thereby manipulating and threatening ecology and biodiversity of the island of Zwaun. Villagers marched to the office of Tiswadi Mamlatdar and garrowed him. They allege that it is constructed to make way for a project on mangrove and Kazan land. Mamlatdar has assured to look into the matter.
Ban repair korche nimtin ami padeta ki there is an illegal ban that is been constructed at the same time. Illegal ban yeni jo rosto kello asa jaka material vatta poi त्याच बानायल्यान त्याच ब्रिजांतल्यान ते आनी एक इलीगल बांध तयार जाता एट द सेम टाइम. दुसरें म्हणल्यार हे जाता पळय तो ह्यो बांध कोत्ता पळयचे निमतीन आमी पळयलां की तो सिमित्रीचेन पावला जूय बांध ना क्वेरीज आमच्यो तांच्या हातीन ताच्या आमी घातल्या. ताणें सांगलां 11 वेर एक जोमात घेता म्हणून सांगल्या. सगळ्या इंजिनियरांक whoever is involved with this we will be having a meeting and he will take a decision on that. 11 तारखेर 12 ताणें मिटींग सांगल्या आनी थंय तुमच्या गांवच्या लोकांची मान्यताय ती आमी घालतले आनी तुमकां जबाब दितले म्हणून सांगलेलें आसा. आमचें मन इतलेंच तो बांद बंद करचो आनी हें वायट जें येवपाचें आसा तें आमच्या गांवचेर आनी फिरगोजेचेर तें बंद करचें ही आमची मांडणी.
Defending champions Dempo Cricket Club purchased Sagun Kamat for a sum of 4 lakh rupees during Monday's players auction for upcoming GPL season. Dempo spent half their total cap of 8 lakhs on the hard-hitting left-hander and continued their strategy of constructing their team around the proven performer. New entrant Caculo Goans captured last season's Dempo captain Swapnil Asnodkar to signal their intent of building a strong team. Former champions Ragaukar Sports Club were relatively subdued while Caculo Warriors went for youngsters. The GPL will start on 21st of February.
385 is the bid. 385 to Sarvadeh Royals. That's for Sagun Kamat. The bid has just come from Dempo Cricket Club. 1,15,000 Sarvadeh Royals. To Sarvadeh Royals 3 is sold to Sarvadeh Royals. GPL for Sarvadeh Royals is the next player. 70,000 from Salgaonkar. I'm going to see the bat being raised to Rahul Kini for the next bid of 80. For Robin D'Souza, it's 90,000 at the moment. Yes, 1 lakh is the next bid from Caculo Goans. We've seen the first bid from the Delhi team, the outstation team. He is sold to Delhi for 1,15,000. Amit Yadav to Gino Dragons at 1,60,000. First call, we've got another bid from Caculo Warriors at 170 now. We've got the first bid from Dempo Cricket Club, Samar Dubashi, 80,001. We're going to see 90 from Gino.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.